Golden State Warriors versus Portland Trail Blazers. Ang first five ng Trail Blazers: Scott Henderson, Ryan Rupert, Chris Murray, Jabari Walker, and DeAndre Ayton. At sa Warriors naman, Stephen Curry, Chris Paul, Andrew Wiggins, Jonathan Kuminga, Trace Jackson Davis.
Trace did great, made Scoot Henderson retreat, but then Ayton got deep position and goes to work. DeAndre Ayton's got 17.
Pagkatapos ng third quarter, isa lang ang lamang ng Warriors, 75-74.
Step, there you go. Set up Trace Jackson Davis.
At natapos ang laro, panalo ang Warriors 100 laban sa 92 ng Portland Trail Blazers. Ang Warriors at Lakers ay sigurado na sa play-in tournament para malaman kung sino na ang qualified sa playoff. Please follow my Facebook page, comment, like, and share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Stories of Uncle Paeng.